Do you enjoy reading books?
Or maybe you want to speak English confidently at a library.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about visiting a library and borrowing books.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about visiting the library.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use when borrowing books.
Let's begin. Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to borrow a book.
Sure.
Do you have any books about travel?
Yes, we do.
Great.
They're on the second shelf.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I borrow 2 books?
Of course.
That's wonderful.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I do.
What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy travel and history books.
Interesting.
What about you?
I like mystery novels.
Really?
Yes.
They're exciting.
I should try one.
I think you'd enjoy them. Have you ever had a funny experience at a library?
Yes.
What happened?
I spent 10 minutes looking for my book.
Did you find it?
Yes.
Where was it?
In my hand. I felt so silly.
That's funny.
What about you?
I once whispered to someone for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Then I realized we weren't in the library.
No way.
Yes.
That's hilarious.
My friend couldn't stop laughing. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.